Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new note in the 24me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the Notes button at the top of the page in the middle, and just click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page on the right, and you can enter a title for your note, and you can set several like details. So for example, your location, so just enter any location that you want your note to like set, and then you can set a time, so like today or tomorrow, and like an exact specific time as well, and you can add alerts and reminders to it as well. If you want to share this with like a colleague or a friend, just enter their name or email and add them to your note. And you can also use labels, so you can say it's like a personal note or a workplace note, and you can just add these labels to that. But of course you can add your own label by typing something. And yes, and if you're done with everything, just click on the add, and your note is created. And from now on you can just start typing anything. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.